Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create gradient text color in Photoshop. So get ready started. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see gradient text color in Photoshop. Now going to the toolbar. Now select from text tool. Now going to the text color. Now click OK. Now select from text. Now type with text. Now this is your text. Now click OK. Now going to the layer option. Now select from layer style option. Now select from gradient overlay option. Now select. Now I show the new interface and select from gradient option. Now choose from gradient. Now choose from red and green color. Now click for OK. That is. Now you can see create gradient text color in Photoshop document is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.